So for today's video, I will be talking about another handbag review. This time it's more a specific concentrated review for one item. Looks like you guys had enjoyed my handbag collection, handbag reviews video, so I thought I'd single them all out and sort of create a review for each and every one of them. So for today's video, I will be talking about my Furla handbags. Welcome back to my channel. So I just want to say thank you for all that just recently subscribed to my channel, and for those that left me a comment. I really do appreciate it, and thank you so much. I hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, I've created a small review for my Furla handbag. Seems that you guys enjoyed that type of content from me, either my luxury handbag collection or just a concentrated specific handbag that I have. So I hope you guys stay tuned until the end of the video because I had fun creating it myself, and I hope that it will give you as an inspiration. And you guys always know, I always tell you this, that the purpose of this video is for us to have fun and get helpful information before you would go ahead and invest your money in a specific handbag. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. First, I wanted to share with you guys like how cute are these. First, I wanted to share to you guys and want to show you how cute my nails are. Look at that. So creative. And still. So for those that actually noticed from my previous video, so yeah, this is my real nails, no extensions. So I did normally would just do like a neutral simple nail polish, but this time I wanted to be more creative, and my friend Clara, who is such an artist, she does her job very well, and only uses Korean premium nail products that's actually healthy for your nails. So Clara has been working at Majesty's Pleasure. You guys know that if you're from Toronto. So she has worked there for so many years. So obviously, as you guys know, most of the people like that are from the entertainment or in the fashion industry, beauty industry, normally goes there just because of everything, like it's beautiful. So she's worked there for years, and obviously her as a nail tech, she's pretty talented and very creative. So she's the only one who can make me do these nails, and now that she actually has her own business because she deserves it, she went to do my nails, and her new location is in Yonge Street. She does amazing job. I leave a link in the description down below if you guys also want to book your nail appointment with her. This is actually very complex to do. So if she can do this one, then she can do other things too. So yeah, if you guys are interested in doing your nails with Clara, I'll leave a link down below so you can book your appointments. And yeah, let me know in the comments who actually want to see her, because I might give you a discount off for maybe the first 3 people that will comment. Then I'll give you a discount. Highly recommend her. Would spend my own money just to see her, so you guys know how I feel about spending my money. If I see the value of the work, I don't mind paying at all. So yeah, one of the only nail techs that I will do this to my nails is Clara. So I highly recommend. If you guys are interested, leave me a comment, and for those first 3, I will give you a discount off for your first visit with Clara. So for today's video, what I will do is that I will create a more in-depth review, show you how you can style them like my previous videos, just so you can see how you can wear them in so many different ways. So here is my Furla Metropolis mini bag. So as you guys know, I mentioned it that I was surprised how I actually ended up loving this purse. So it comes in this type of leather. It's 100% leather. As you guys know, Furla is a brand that is actually been around since 1927, and it's made in Italy. So most of the products, really, like the leather, are just of premium quality. The craftsmanship is absolutely phenomenal. So, and it doesn't, this is more like an affordable bag, just in my opinion, for the quality that you get. I really love the quality of Furla. So this bag is made out of 100% leather. It actually comes with a detachable flap bag. So this flap, you can actually detach it. I will show you later on, but with different styles, different texture of leather. I think this one's more of like an ostrich type of leather. It's so beautiful. You can and it comes with a gold chain strap. This one I actually made it a little bit shorter. I will show you how I actually did this, and you can also make this along. So here how it looks like up close. You can see it comes with a gold detail and a small Furla label here, and at the back also will say here Furla. It's really engraved in such great quality. The straps are gold chain too. So to open the bag, you just click this to going in, and it will make that sound. You see this? So it will pop up like this. And inside, obviously, inside is a nice smooth leather, and you'll see like how it looks like inside. Here you go. And inside is made out of nice smooth leather too. I think it's suede. And it comes with like a Furla branding inside, that and it has a one pocket here for your cards, and it actually pretty much fits a lot of things, and I think my iPhone 13 Pro Max will fit in here. I actually haven't tried. I think it would, yeah. So so in this flap right here, you can detach this by popping it out like this, and now you have another leather flap. So here's how it looks like without the flap. So this is the one that you would purchase, and you're able to, so this is the main bag that you'll purchase, and you'll be able to choose the type of flaps that you can interchange it with. Depends on your mood that day or the type of outfit you're wearing. So it's easily customizable in such great quality, and it's just optimal. Everything, the craftsmanship, every little detail, you can see like it's made really nicely. So let me just show you guys how I will change the look just by changing the color and the type of leather of the flap. So the flap comes with its own nice bag, so obviously to protect the leather. So it will say just Furla, and I actually got the fuchsia pink color. It's in very smooth leather. Now I will show you how I will put this in this Metropolis bag, how to actually put them. So what you'll do behind is there's these three buttons right here, and here's the flap. These three buttons will go right in. So you pop it back in, if you see that. And obviously in the middle too. Trust me, it's not that difficult. It's just that I have to carry my remote, and I couldn't So yeah, it's very easy to pop back in. And now here's how it looks like. It completely changed the vibe or the look of the bag. Right now this will become my summer handbag or my summer purse. So now here how it looks like. See the Furla logo right here, and it's made out of smooth leather, and in the back it's pretty much the same thing, same details. Says Furla also, such great quality. And I actually have it in a long strap. So yeah, it's quite long, pretty good. If you, for days that you want to do make your style like crossbody, it actually sits perfectly through sort of like your hip area. And it looks really nice. But on days that you don't really feel like that, you can just want to put it over your shoulders, you can also do that by shortening. To shorten this is that I just double it, obviously like open the front, and so now you have a shorter purse that you can put over your shoulder. That's how I do it. So this is very versatile. I can wear it in so many ways and so pair it with so many looks. And yeah, I really love this. So if there's one thing that you should add into your closet is this Metropolis bag from Furla. It's so underrated, but as you guys know, Furla is really like a great quality brand to begin with. But this specific style, this is actually my first time seeing a type of purse like this, so for me I think it's really fun, it's really great, and I love it so much. So guys, that's the end of this video. If you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and find it helpful, and obviously hopefully you also had fun watching the video. As mentioned, I will leave the links down below where you can purchase that same bag, and also for those who are interested in the nails here in Toronto, who is good, I highly recommend Clara. I leave a link in my appointment section down below, and for those 3 people that actually is interested in seeing her, the first 3 I will give a discount coupon the first visit with Clara. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.